he is barely my assholes.
Couldn't have parked right there. Nope. Gotta block the bike lane and the street at the same time. A twofer. Oh yes. Careful with your massive vehicle. How did they get there? Okay, hang on. I gotta go look at that.
Oh no, he ran the light! Get him!
This is not the traffic lane.
Yeah.
So you just make up your own rules? I mean, don't go now. Excellent driving. Very good. How did they even get here? It goes all the way back that way. How? Riddle me that. Well, I guess I'm going this way now. Like, where? Seriously, where did they get in? They would have had to have gone in all the way down here, and even still, like, you cut through there? They probably just drove the wrong way down here and then cut in at some point.
Yes, his sense of direction is letting him down.
That is hilarious. Some excellent driving.